Welcome back to Daytime at 9. It's a full-service urgent care that's just for the little ones in your life. We're talking about Little Spurs Pediatric Urgent Care, and they focus on the kids that need that immediate care right now that's not too far away from home. From injuries, sicknesses, and even vaccinations, they have everything for your little ones. Take a look. Parents, I know one of your biggest concerns is keeping your children safe and healthy, but what if it's after hours and the doctors are gone for the day? I'll tell you where you can go. We're talking to Dr. Tom Spurgett with Little Spurs Pediatric Urgent Care, and this is where you can head to after hours. Thanks for talking with us.
Well, thank you. We're very happy to be here. Basically, we started our clinics back in 2006. We're up to 5 clinics right now.
Oh, wow.
We've got 2 more opening in the fall. We offer minor emergency services. We can perform about 80% what an emergency room can perform. Things like minor lacerations, assess injuries, illnesses, respiratory problems, asthma.
This is so important because you never know when your little rascal is going to hurt themselves, and this is somewhere that you can also go and also help out very quick. You guys are very prompt.
We are well equipped and experienced in seeing children pretty quickly. We try to avoid, performing too many lab tests, going to the emergency room. We try to get them back with their doctor, and that has worked out very well. We see children from the first few days of life up to age 21.
What do you see as the most common symptoms?
So in the summer we're going to see a few more injuries, falls, and minor lacerations. There are a few viruses that come around during the summer. In the fall we'll actually start doing some sports physicals, and then some of the more prevalent illnesses will start showing up in the next month or 2. We have very artistic employees. All of this is done by all our employees.
Very talented. Helping
Each clinic
children.
has its own motif. So right here, one of our patients is getting an x-ray. The x-rays are actually digital. So when the x-rays are looked at, they're on a computer. And on the computer, we can manipulate the x-ray, enlarge the chest, we can make it smaller, we can look at special areas of the chest, we can change contrast, and it helps us look for anything that might be abnormal. We have orthopedic and procedure rooms, and so children that come in with sprains or minor fractures, we'll actually just splint them because they don't have to go to the ER most of the time. We'll just refer them directly to an orthopedist or back to their own physician. We can also perform minor procedures related to drawing blood, IV therapy, breathing treatments, get them feeling better before we send them home.
Well, let me ask you this. There's a specific vaccine that a lot of kids need to be getting, and it's what?
Flu, will start hitting somewhere around December. We'll see a few cases before then, but then it becomes real heavy in January and February.
So take care of it now.
Yeah, exactly. And this is Dr. Alicia Tetzel. She's our medical director, and we're always going to take a listen to the heart and lungs, make sure that everything sounds good. This child, she has a sprained foot, and we're putting a post-op shoe on there. It helps her walk better. We'll also train her on the use of crutches in case she has trouble weight-bearing on her foot.
Well, thank you so much for the tour. I can see why the kids really enjoy it, and I appreciate the sticker I got too. But before we leave, let us know one more time what really makes you guys stand out from the rest of the clinics.
Well, so we're available, every day of the week. We're here for taking care of children with minor emergencies. And if they can't get in to see their doctor, this is the place to come.
Well, I enjoyed it, and I know all your children will too. All right, guys, the good thing is there are 7 locations in San Antonio. We're talking about Little Spurs Pediatric Urgent Care. The number, it's on your screen. It's 210-543-PEDI or 7334. Again, it's 543-7334. You can check them out online at Little Spurs PEDI, stands for pediatrics, of course. And they're on Facebook at facebook.com/Little Spurs Pediatric Urgent Care.